Hey guys, Bass Guy 5401 here, and sorry, the last video got interrupted because my camera accidentally stopped. So the last two fish you saw me catch were the bluegill and the small crappie. Now I'm gonna try and catch a bass for you guys. Hold on, I got a bird's nest in my line. There we go. I'm gonna try and catch a bass for you guys. The last, earlier in the last video, one came up and tried to grab it, but I tried to set the hook too late. Tried to let him eat it longer, and I just missed another bite. But apparently they don't want to eat it; they want to just nibble at it. So, really want to try and catch a bass for you guys. Today's been a very productive day. I've caught 5 fish in total. The last 2 fish were the bluegill and the crappie. Then, what I didn't film, I caught 2 more bluegill and a 1.5 pound female bass. She was fat. I'm telling you, she was really fat. Got the bass, guys. Got the bass for you. There it is. Oh, he's a chunk, too. Look at this one. Oh, my goodness. He's a chunk, and he's pissed off. Oh, my gosh. Look at this chunker. Look at this chunk. Look at this chunk. Look at him. Oh, my goodness. Look at him. Look how big he is. I'm not going to take him off the hook and show him to you guys because my thumb's really torn up. I burnt my finger this morning, so I can't really do anything with him. But he's a big one. Look at him. He has to weigh at least 1.5 pounds. At least. I'm trying to get this first one back up. So let's see. That's 2 bass, a bluegill, no, a crappie, and 3 bluegill. Sorry, it's taking so long, buddy. There goes the bass, guys. Oh, alright. Well, if I don't catch another one... No, I should catch another one. We still got some time left. Hold on. Alright. So, caught 6 fish today so far. Crappie, 3 bluegill, and 2 bass. Pretty productive day so far. Each bass has been really, each one has been a really good size. Each bass has been maybe about 1 pound, 1.5 pounds. Average size bass for where I live. Like in my neighborhood ponds and stuff. Really good size bass. The bluegill have all been around a quarter of a pound, which is the average size.